guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So this is Noima, Lovekye, and thank you so much for clicking my video, and I really appreciate you guys for being here. For today's video, I'm going to talk about my Philodendron pink princess. And if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell button so you won't miss anything in my next video. Philodendron pink princess is easily grown indoor and it's sure to make a statement in your house. So for me, I love pink and that's why I love this plant. So I'm going to show you guys my pink princess is here in front of you. As you can see, it's half pink and the half is dark green, and also it's here burgundy color. And look at this, it's really look stunning and it's very beautiful. So that's why lots of people nowadays gustong magkaroon ng ganitong plant. And because of this uniqueness, I will tell you guys before, this plant is little bit cheaper. Nowadays, they are in demand and it's really hard to find. And I'm sure you can find it more expensive. So here's my basic care guide how to take good care of our Philodendron pink princess and how to propagate them in my own little way. First is we're going to transfer my pink princess to my new pink pot. So I will show you guys the pot that I bought yesterday. It's very cute. It's pink and gold. So this one, it's new. So I have here. So I'm very excited to show you how to transfer this one or repot this one, this pink princess, to new pot. Okay? to my new pot. Okay? For my potting mix, I should recommend a well-drained soil that is highly organic matter. So for me, I mix it with pumice, coco peat, and rice hull. So if you have perlite, it's much better. So okay, let's start repotting our pink princess. It mix already my pumice, my lava rock or coco peat and rice hull. It's already here, mix it already. So it's time to transfer this one here. Stone here, this one, so you can put some here in top of your So guys, we're done repotting our pink princess. For water tips, when you're growing Philodendron pink princess plant, the top inch of soil to dry out between watering is how to check your soil by using your finger. So inserting your finger into the soil is a good way to check the moisture level. So about the sunlight. Sunlight is Set the philodendron plants in a location with bright, indirect sunlight. So for me, I found position near my window where the sun's rays never actually touch the foliage. While it's normal for older leaves to be yellow color, if this happens several leaves at the same time, the plant may be getting too much light. So, but the other hand, if the stems are long and leggy with several inches between the leaves and the plant, probably it's not getting enough light or insufficient light. So guys, I promise you it's really easy to grow this Philodendron pink princess. So next is I'm going to share to you how to propagate your Philodendron pink princess, okay? So guys, I have here my mother plant. So I cut them already. So here is it. So this is my mother plant, guys. I cut it already here and also here. So we will wait for another shoot will come out. I have cutted plants here. It is, see? And also here. I have, look at this, it's very pink. It's very nice color. Okay? So I have here, I want to show it to you how to propagate your Philodendron pink princess. So what I'm going to do is to cut here. So this one is new shoots. I'm going to show you how I cut this one. I cut my mother plant. So I found out a roots over here. Look at this. This one is roots. So I have new shoots here. So this part here, you're going to cut your pink princess, okay? Okay, I got it. That's great. Very nice color. So what you're going to do is just soak this one in. This one is water and rooting hormone. So just soak this one into rooting hormone. This you can soak this one into 30 minutes. That's the time you can plant this one after 30 minutes. So this one, just let it dry. Okay, so I have here, this one is the cutted already. So this is my example that I planted it here. video. Bye!